Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal has achieved major milestone by successfully performing complex aorto-biliac bypass surgery for rare case of large bilateral common artery aneurysm, marking the first such procedure in Manipur. The surgery was conducted on a 79-year-old male patient on March 15, who was at risk of an impending rupture and had additional complications, including uncontrolled hypertension and a prior stroke that caused a right side weakness. The patient has since made full recovery and was discharged last week. The procedure, known for its high technical complexity, was led by Head of Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery, Professor Tokchom Chito, with support from cardiac anesthesia and general surgery teams. In addition, RIMS performed 13 open heart surgeries this month, including cases of ASD, VSD, tetralogy of Fallot, double-chambered right ventricle, and valve replacements under the supervision of Dr. Shyamkumar Thingam. The institute credited its success to strong teamwork and continued support of its leadership, which has helped enhance advanced healthcare services in the state.